name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. So, without further much ado, grab your ukulele. Where's my ukulele? Ayan. And today, I'll be teaching you how to play Kathang Isip by Ben&Ben. So, for this tutorial, you'll be needing a capo and you should be clipping it on the 3rd fret of your uke. And then, of course, before that, you should tune your ukulele in the standard tuning in the G, C, E, A. So, ayun. There are several chords that you need to learn in order to play this song. So, for the first chord, we have the chord of C. So, ayan. Then, next chord is G. Super basic lang ng mga chords na to. Ayan. A minor. Tapos, A minor. And then, E minor. And then, next chord is B minor 7. So, yung iba, yung pagkakaipit nila sa mga bar chords, ginagamit nila is index finger. Pero para sa akin, yung ginagamit ko pang ipit is the middle finger. Kasi mas may siya, strength. Tapos parang hindi siya masyadong nasasaktan kaysa dito. So, ayun. Next chord is F. Tapos, for our last chord is D. Ayan, yung chord of D, yung tatlong to. Ayan. So, super basic lang ng mga chords na gagamitin natin. And, ayun. So, hahatiin lang natin yung tutorial na to into 7 parts. First one is the intro. Next one is verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, break, and last chorus. So, ayun. Yun yung mga importanteng parts sa kantang to. So, para sa intro na part, yung ituturo ko sa inyo yung plucking style na channelin, yung naririnig nyo talaga sa kanta. But, first and foremost, disclaimer lang, hindi po ako professional na ukulele player, ganun. So, lahat ng mga ginagawa ko sa channel ko ay gawa-gawa ko lang talaga lahat. So, ngayon, pati yung tabs na gagamitin ko para dito, yung papakita ko dyan, gawa-gawa ko lang ang lahat. So, ayun. Ito yung intro natin. So, ayun. Yun yung intro natin, okay? So, kahapon ko pa lang yun pre-practice. So, ayun. First thing that you have to do is you have to count. Ayan. So, magsisimula tayo sa 7th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ayan. So, nakita nyo yung pangatlong tuldok dyan. Ayan. So, that is your 7th fret. So, first thing is strum. Yung first, yung 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, isa-strum mo to, pero hindi kasama tong string na to, okay? So, ito lang. Strum. Tapos, after nung strum yung tatlong to, you have to pluck this one, yung, ayan. Okay? So, don't forget to put your index finger here, okay? So, baka naman, ganun lang, okay? So, ipit mo dyan. Tapos, after nun, is, you have to move your finger on the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Okay? So, strum, pluck, move 5th fret. Okay? Nakuha niyo yun? Ang ingay na asa. Tapos, just pluck this open string right here. Okay? So, strum, pluck, move 5th fret, and then pluck this last string right here. And after, hoy! Diyos ka! So, ayun. After nun is move ka na naman dito sa 2. Ayan. 2nd string. Okay? Ito. Okay? So, just slide your index finger there. Tapos, after nung 2, 3, 2. Okay? 2, 3, 2. So, use your middle finger. Tapos after nun is 5th fret, 5th fret, and 3rd fret, pero andito tayo sa 2nd string, okay? 1, 2. So, this is your 2nd string, 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito. Okay? So, from dito, 2, 3, 2. Then, move to the 5th fret using your ring finger. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay? So, from the beginning. Tapos, after nun is just form a G. Ayan, G pala. G chord. So, just strum. Tapos, after nun is yung part na ding, 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 ding. So, magsisimula ka sa 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, andito tayo. Tapos, after nun, 5, 7, 9, and 10. Ding, 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 ding. Okay? Ding, 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 ding. Tapos, ulitin mo naman yun from the beginning. Ding, 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 ding. Tapos, so, ayun lang. Yun yung para sa intro natin, okay? So, next part of the song is the verses of the song. So, ayun. So, para sa verses natin, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And this is pretty, common sa mga tutorials ko. So, magiging ganito siya. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Pero, para sa natin, versus yung mga chords lang natin is C and G. Ayan. So, one strumming pattern for chord. Ayan. So, let's try singing the first one. Di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto? O heto'y lilisan na ako. Ayan lang. Mga alaala'y ibabaon. Kalakip ang tamis ng kahapon. So, ayun. So, we're done with the verse 1. So, let's move on to the pre-chorus. So, dito sa pre-chorus, yung mga gabing, so, start doon sa first chord hanggang sa bawat kilig, yung third na A minor na chord, yung bawat kilig na nadarama. So, ayun. Yung strumming pattern natin doon is same lang sa verse 1. Yung down, down, up, 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 down, up. So, ayun. Mga gabing di namamalayang, oras ay lumilipad. Mga sandaling lumalayag ko, samantayong mapadpad. Bawat kilig na nadarama. Tapos, after nun, diba, same strumming pattern lang ang lahat ng yun. Tapos, magsisimula na tayo mag-shift ng strumming pattern from the word na hawak, yung G. Hawak ang iyong kamay. So, yung strumming pattern natin dun is down, down, up, down, up, down. No, mali. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. So, in every chord, down, down, up, down lang yung strumming pattern natin, okay? Tuwing hawak ang iyong kamay, itumaling akala, isang malaking sablay. So, ayun. Yun yung pre-chorus natin. Okay? So, andito na tayo sa chorus na part. So, para dito, we have two strumming patterns. So, diba, may tig-tatlong chords tayo in every line. So, for the first two chords of this chorus, yung gagamitin natin na strumming pattern ay similar lang doon sa ginamit natin sa pre-chorus na last part, yung down, down, up, down. Ayan, okay? So, down, down, up, down. So, first chord is G, down, down, up, down. Tapos, move sa F, down, down, up, down. And in every C chord, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, okay? So, kaya, pasensya ka na. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, C. Down, down, up, up, down. Repeat. Down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay? So, ganun lang. Ako'y gigising na sa panaginip kong to, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo. So, ayun. So, just remember those two strumming patterns for the first two chord in every line, down, down, up, down, and then in every C na chord sa kada linya, diba? Yung C is nasa last chord siya in every line. The strumming pattern natin doon is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, let's move on to the bridge part. So, ayan, malapit na matapos ang tutorial na to. So, dito na tayo sa bridge na part. So, malapit na matapos ang tutorial na to. So, ayan. Yung strumming pattern natin dito sa first part ng bridge is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ayan. Super common lang ng strumming pattern na to. Okay? Sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng darahana. Kung minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y paasa. Tatakbo't papalayo, kakalimutan ang lahat. Tapos, after nun is yung lahat. Yung strumming pattern natin doon ay down, down, up, down lang in every chord. So, dapat mabilis kayong lumipat ng chords dito. Lahat. Down, down, up, down, down. Down, 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 down. So, para sa part na lahat, yung strumming pattern natin para dyan ay down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, in every chord. So, yung chord progression natin para sa part na yun is E minor, C, G, and D. So, twice natin ulitin yon. So, kakalimutan ang lahat. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Yan. So, ganun yung last part ng bridge natin. So, let's move on to the break. So, dito sa break, yung pagka-strum lang natin, yung tuturo ko lang dito ay yung pagka-strum natin. Ayan. So, pag ganyan lang siya. Use your thumb and then, strum each string slowly. Pero kahit saan man, lumingon, nasusulyapan ng kahapon. So, dapat mellow lang yung part na yan. So, ganun lang yung break natin. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa last chorus natin. So, yung mangyayari dito ay yung first part, yung first two lines lang natin, first two lines ng chorus, last chorus, is yung pagka-strum natin is down strums lang siya. Down. Okay? Kaya't pasensya ka na sa mga katang isip kong ito. Wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa iyo. Ayun. So, down strums lang. Tapos, sa last part ng sayo, yung last down strum mo is medyo malakas siya ng konti. And then, let's go back to the original strumming pattern na ng chorus. Ako'y gigising na down, up, down, 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 up, down. Tapos, yung every C na natin na chord is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So, balik ka na naman. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay? Kaya't pasensya ka na sa mga katang isip kong ito. Wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Ako'y gigising na mula sa panaginip kong ito. At sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo. Lalayo sa... Tapos, para sa last two lines ng last chorus, is yung pagka-strum mo lang ay, yung pagka-strum mo lang ay pag ganito lang. Yung tulad sa break. Lalayo sa, di na nga ito ang iyong gusto. Ayan. Ting, darang, dang. Oh, heto'y lilisan na ako. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And kung nahihirapan man kayo, that's pretty normal because it really takes time to practice a song. And of course, lalo na kung may mga plucking na mga ganun. So, ayun. always remember that learning is a lifelong process and it's not an instant thing. So it really takes a lot of dedication and effort to learn. And ayun, so yeah. So of course, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, so please click the subscribe button down below. Yeah! And of course, leave a comment on the comment section below kung ano yung gusto nyong ituro ko for the next video. So, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!